Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy baby spinach salad. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 5 ounces of baby spinach, along with some colorful additions like cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumber, and a bit of red onion. Don't forget your favorite protein, perhaps some grilled chicken or chickpeas, and we'll whip up a simple, flavorful dressing. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, gently wash your 5 ounces of baby spinach and make sure it's completely dry. This is key for a crisp salad. Next, have about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and thinly slice half a cucumber. Finally, dice 1/4 cup of red onion. If you're adding protein, like 4 ounces of grilled chicken, prepare that now. It's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your 5 ounces of clean, dry baby spinach. Then, add in the vibrant cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumber, and the finely diced red onion. Next, gently fold in your prepared protein, like the 4 ounces of grilled chicken. Finally, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of your delicious homemade vinaigrette over everything. Almost done, gently toss your salad to ensure every leaf and ingredient is beautifully coated with that flavorful dressing. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings, perhaps a pinch more salt or freshly ground pepper. For the best experience, serve your baby spinach salad immediately. You can also personalize it with optional toppings like toasted pecans or some creamy crumbled feta cheese. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.